So we'll follow the central groove to about a depth of 1 millimeter, meaning we want to be finishing up at about 1.5 millimeters. So we'll follow that central groove. Now we're going to extend in. Let's see, a little, not really flat here on this floor, so let me flatten this out, make sure it's about the same depth. We'll start with this mesiobuccal groove. We can extend up to halfway up the groove. 1/3 the way up the groove is a little more conservative, and if we can be more conservative, it's always a good thing. There's the distal buccal groove. Now let's find this lingual groove. We begin to get the outline form for our preparation. A side cutting burr, we'll go to the 245 to ensure that we have rounded internal line angles. We'll want to follow around the cusps. Make sure that we're conservative with the cusps. We can remove 1/4 of the cusp to 1/3 of the cusp. And of course we'll always want to be more conservative. Our walls in the grooves and near the marginal ridges will diverge slightly. The walls underneath the cusps will converge slightly for retention. Now we'll want to finish the walls. Make sure they're smooth. We've got good internal line angles that are rounded, not ledged, and that our floor is reasonably flat at 1.5 millimeters of depth. I'm going to use the condenser to help me with that. Okay, let's get that flat of floor a little bit flatter. edge on that distal wall. Okay, I think there's our prep.